Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.
Infallible, that never fails, always doing what it is supposed to do, यानी कि अचूक. Misogynist, a person who dislikes women, स्त्री जाति से द्वेष करने वाला. Philanthropist, a rich person who helps the poor and those in need, especially by giving money, यानी कि जनहितैषी. Misanthrope, a person who hates and avoids other people, यानी कि मानव द्वेषी. Bureaucracy, a system of government in which there are a large number of state officials who are not elected, यानी कि नौकरशाही. Cannibal, a person who eats human flesh, यानी कि नरभक्षक. Claustrophobia, an extreme fear of being in a small confined place, यानी कि छोटे जगह में होने का अत्यधिक डर. Egoist, a person who thinks he or she is better than other people and who thinks and talks too much about himself or herself, यानी कि अहंवादी. Elegy, a poem or song that expresses sadness especially for somebody who has died, यानी कि शोक गीत. Epilogue, a speech at the end of a play, book or film or movie that comments on or acts as a conclusion to what has happened, यानी कि उपसंहार. Epitaph, an inscription on a tombstone, यानी कि समाधि लेख. Fastidious, being careful that every detail is correct or not liking things to be dirty or untidy, यानी दुराराध्य. Inevitable, that you cannot avoid or prevent, यानी कि अनिवार्य. Oligarchy, a form of government in which only a small group of people hold all the power, यानी कि कुलीन तंत्र. Optimist, a person who always expects good things to happen or things to be successful, यानी कि आशावादी. Panacea, something that will solve all the problems of a particular situation, यानी कि रामबाण. Altruist, someone who makes charitable donations intended to increase human well-being, यानी कि परोपकारी सिद्धांतों वाला. Aristocracy, the rule by nobles or government by person of highest social order, यानी कि श्रेष्ठ जनों के द्वारा राज्य शासन. Atheist, a person who believes that God does not exist, यानी कि नास्तिक. Calligraphy, beautiful handwriting that you do with a special pen or brush, यानी कि सुलेख. Connoisseur, an expert on matters involving the judgmental beauty, quality or skill in art, food or music, यानी कि विशेषज्ञ. Fatalist, a person who believes that events are decided by fate and cannot be controlled, यानी कि भाग्यवादी. Invincible, too strong to be defeated or changed, यानी अजय. Mercenary, a soldier who will fight for any country or group that offers payment, यानी कि किराए का टट्टू. Ascetic, a person who lives in a simple and strict way without physical pleasures, especially for religious reasons, such as monks, hermits and saints, यानी तपस्वी. Carnivorous, animals that eat meat, यानी कि मांसभक्षी. Cartography, the art or process of drawing or making maps, यानी कि मानचित्रकारी. Etymology, the study of the origin and history of words and their meanings, यानी कि शब्द व्युत्पत्ति शास्त्र, यानी कि शब्दों का इतिहास और उनका मतलब. Homicide, the crime of killing somebody deliberately, यानी कि मानव हत्या. Iconoclast, a person who criticizes popular beliefs or established customs and ideas, यानी कि रिवाज तोड़ने वाला. Illegible, difficult or impossible to read, यानी अस्पष्ट. Incorrigible, having bad habits which cannot be changed or improved, यानी असंशोधनीय. Insomnia, the condition of being unable to sleep, यानी अनिंद्रा. Nepotism, giving unfair advantages to your own family if you are in a position of power, especially by giving them jobs, यानी भाई भतीजावाद. Obsolete, no longer used because something new has been invented, यानी अप्रचलित. Patricide, the crime of killing your father, यानी पिता का वध. Philatelist, a person who collects or studies stamp, यानी डाक के टिकट का संग्राहक, यानी कि डाक के टिकट इकट्ठा करने वाला. Stoic, a person who is able to suffer pain or trouble without complaining or showing what they are feeling, यानी उदासीन. Alien, hostile, strange and frightening, or different from what you are used to, यानी विदेशी. Amateur, a person who likes to take part in a sport or other activity for enjoyment, not as a job, यानी शौकीन व्यक्ति. Amnesia, a medical condition in which somebody partially or completely loses his memory, यानी भूलने की बीमारी. Anarchy, a situation in a country, an organization, etc., in which there is no government order or control, यानी कि अराजकता. Anthropology, the study of human race, especially of its origin, development, customs and belief, यानी कि मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. Archive, a collection of historical documents or records of a government, a family, a place or an organization, यानी अभिलेखागार. Credible, that cannot be believed or trusted, यानी विश्वसनीय. Effeminate, looking, behaving or sounding like a woman or girl, यानी नारी जैसा. Feminist, a person who supports the belief that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men, यानी नारीवादी. Genocide, the murder of a whole race or a group of people, यानी नरसंहार. Gullible, easily tricked because of being too trusting, यानी आसानी से धोखा खाने वाला. Honorarium, a payment made for somebody's professional services or a fee paid for a nominally free service, यानी मानदेय. Thank you for watching, and for more such contents please subscribe to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.